So here's the situation. You loan your car out to your buddy who gets into a car wreck. What happens and what's it do to you? Hey, I'm Shane from Shane Smith Law. I'm a car accident lawyer, okay? Here's a question that we get asked sometimes, and a lot of people wonder what happens. First off, if you loan your car out, your insurance is going to cover that vehicle. So as long as you loaned your car out and they didn't steal it, your insurance is going to cover that. Meaning it's going to go on your car's claims history, but it shouldn't be held totally against you because it wasn't you driving. But it is a claim on that car, but your insurance should cover them without any issues. Sometimes people will do this, they'll get an exception. And that means, let's say I've got a roommate who lives with me who's just an absolute train wreck. They got 14 speeding tickets, they got a DUI, something like that, and they're basically dangerous. And your insurance company doesn't want to cover them. They'll put an exception on that policy because remember, when you apply for insurance, you're supposed to list all the drivers in the house who can drive. So if you list that roommate who's a train wreck, they're going to say, hey, if we want to insure that person, it might double your insurance. So they'll write an exception saying everybody's covered except that one person. That one person that drives the car, they're not going to cover you. So if you get an exception, don't let them drive. Other than that, your insurance is going to cover it just fine. So it's treated the same as if you got into an accident. If you've got rental car coverage, it's going to be covered. Somebody who's borrowed a car hits you, what happens? Same kind of deal. That insurance should cover the car of the car that hit you and should cover your car. If they stole the car though, that's not going to apply because they didn't have permission to drive the car. It wasn't a by choice thing. They stole it, so that insurance company is not going to cover it, which means you got to fall back on your own insurance. Just another reason why you should have uninsured or underinsured motorist insurance, which is required in North Carolina. Georgia, you don't have to have it. Highly recommend it every time. If you've got a question about your insurance policy, what coverage you've got and what you don't, just contact our office. We'll be glad to read your deck page and tell you what you've got and make some suggestions. Remember, if you're in pain, call Shane, 980-999-9999.
In pain, so I call Shane, 980-999-9999. In pain, call Shane.